Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back again to my channel. Today, I'm very excited to share with you this device from Joy Auto. It's called the MMB Max AI Box. So just to give you an idea, this device will make your car stereo's traditional user interface into a full Android system. This means this device will give your factory stereo the full advantage of having an Android system into your car. So before we connect this device into my Nissan Pathfinder, I'll just give you a little bit of its specification. Okay guys, I'll be opening this box now. Okay, so this device is running Android 10 and it's upgradable to version 12. It has octa-core CPU with 2.3 GHz MediaTek 6567. And this device has built-in 4 GB of memory and it has 64 GB of internal storage. And also, it's upgradable to 256 GB via trans-flash memory card. Okay guys, so this device supports 4G SIM card for data connection. And you just have to open this cover right here and insert your SIM card right there. And besides that, it has external slot for memory card. And the good thing about this is that it has built-in GPS as well. So you can use your Google Maps, Apple Maps, or Waze without problem at all. Okay guys, so this device works in low temperature from minus 20 degrees Celsius up to a high of plus 70 degrees Celsius. Right now, it's minus 5 here in Canada. Okay guys, so let's see what's inside the box. Okay, what we got here is a user manual. There's instruction in English, and at the back, there's instruction in German. Okay, so there's 2 USB cables included in this package. Okay, so the first USB cable we have is USB Type-C. Okay, so the second cable we got here is a USB Type-C, and at the other end is USB Type-A. Okay, so in order to use this device, we have to connect the USB cable to the MMB Max AI box and to our car's USB port. Okay, so the cable is now connected. We just have to wait for a few seconds. And now the device is lighting up. And now it's being loaded to my car stereo. And wow, that was fast. Okay, we just have to tap this button, agree and accept. Yeah, there you go guys. So we have built-in Netflix right here and a YouTube app. We have weather widget and we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto shortcuts. Right here in the middle, we have digital speedometer, shortcut for your favorite apps, and on this side, we got quick access to the settings. We can also change our layouts. So we got 3 layouts right here. So you can choose whatever layouts you want. Well, to be honest, I really like the interface. It's very fast and smooth. So we can assign our favorite apps right here, or the apps that we always use. All you have to do is just tap the plus button and select whatever apps you want. Okay guys, so let me just change this weather widget into my current location. Okay, so I'm just gonna set this up and connect my Wi-Fi to my personal hotspot and turn on my location as well. Okay, I'm done setting it up. So as you can see here, my weather location is now updated. And if you guys want to change these widgets right here, just long tap this icon and then choose whatever widgets you want. You can set it to Prime Video, YouTube, TikTok, Hulu, Voice Assistant, Apple Music, and many more. So I always use Spotify, so I'm just gonna select this one. Okay, so let's just open the Spotify. Okay, so right here, we don't have Spotify installed on this device. So we have to download it first to Google Play Store. So let me just enter my username right here. Okay, so once you're done, just tap install. Okay, so this is the MMB Max AI box. The texture is very smooth and glossy. It's very nice looking. And at the back, it has metal shell and air ventilation so that device won't heat up easily. Okay, so the Spotify app is already installed. Okay, so just let me log into my account. Let's try playing music. Okay, yeah, that works. Okay, now let's try the steering wheel control. That works as well. Okay guys, so there's no problem with the steering controls. Okay, so let's try and test the Netflix application. Okay, so there's an update, but I will cancel that for now. Okay, so let me just enter my username and password. Okay, so let's try playing a movie. Let's try this one. It's working as well, guys. And the quality of the video is so good. And the sound quality as well. Okay, let's stop that for now. Okay guys, so the next one that we will be testing is the Google Assistant or Voice Assistant. Play soothing sounds. Okay, so that is also working. Okay, so let's try the button on my steering wheel control, if it will work as well. What's the weather like today?
Cloudy. Today, it'll be partly cloudy.
Wow, that's pretty good. So there's no problem with the steering wheel controls. It works on Google Assistant and for music controls as well. Okay, so the next one that we will be testing is the digital speedometer. So for this one, make sure that your location is turned on. Okay guys, so I'm already here outside. So let's begin testing the digital speedometer. So I'm stepping up the gas right now. So as you can see here, the digital speedometer is working. So we don't have any issues with this one. So it's pretty accurate as well. So basically the speed is the same as on my instrument cluster. Okay guys, so let's try the Google Maps.
Make a U-turn at Jefferson Avenue.
Okay, so same thing here guys. So we don't have any issues. We are on the exact location as we see here in Google Maps.
Continue on Route 52 south for 1 kilometer.
So everything works fine. So it's really nice that this device has built-in GPS, because some of the devices out there
In
you have
500
to
meters, turn right onto
install
Polson
a
Avenue.
separate GPS. but this one it's already built in or integrated to the device itself. Okay, so I'm just gonna close this Google Maps now, and let's go back to the main home screen. So as you can see here, the digital speedometer is still working, so we don't have any issues with that. Okay guys, so I'm already parked now. So the next one that we will be testing is the Android Auto. Okay guys, so when you're connecting to Android Auto, you have to turn on your Bluetooth settings on your Android phone. Okay, so here on my phone, I'm just gonna go to the settings, then Bluetooth, then let's search for Zeus 0842. Okay, so let's connect on this one, and then tap pair. Okay, so once your phone is already paired into Zeus 0842, which is the Android Auto, it will automatically initiate a connection. Okay, so let's just wait for a few seconds to be connected to Android Auto. Okay guys, so as you can see here, my phone is now connected to Android Auto. So I'm just gonna swipe my notification down right here, and you will see that I am already connected to Android Auto into my head unit. Okay, so this is the Android Auto user interface. Okay, so let's go back to our main home screen. Okay guys, so now let's try to connect my iPhone to Apple CarPlay. Okay, now let's tap or open the Apple CarPlay. Okay, so the device name for this one is also Zeus 0842. Okay, so on our iPhone, let's go to the settings and then tap Bluetooth. Now let's search for Zeus 0842. Now let's tap pair. Okay, so just tap allow if you guys want all your contacts to be synchronized. Now let's wait for a few seconds. By the way guys, so just to let you know, this is only a one-time connection. So the next time you will connect to Apple CarPlay, it will be connected right away. Okay, there, the Apple CarPlay is already loaded. So if you guys have factory wired Apple CarPlay into your original car stereo, this will convert your wired connection into a wireless connection. So for me, that's a really one amazing feature that this device can do. Okay, so now let's go back to our main home screen. Okay guys, so one more amazing feature that I will show you is that this device has built-in supercast, or what we call screen mirroring. Okay, so open your iPhone screen mirror feature and look for the same device name on your head unit. Now let's tap on that. Okay, so as you can see here on this video, the iPhone is already mirrored onto my head unit. Okay, now let's try watching video on YouTube. Hey, what's going on everyone? So I'm driving right now. It's my new 2022 Nissan Pathfinder SL Premium. Okay, so yeah, the screen mirroring on this device is also working. Okay, so another feature on this MMB Max AI box is that you can change your boot animation. But for now, we don't have any animation stored on this device, so I won't be able to show you guys. But just to give you an idea that the boot animation is changeable or replaceable. So another thing here guys is that it has built-in cleaner to clean up your device. And this device also has a pre-installed Disney Plus application, which is very hard to find or you can download this application from Google Play Store, especially when you're using Android head unit. But I don't have a Disney Plus account, so I'm just gonna close that for now. Another great feature right here is that you can change your background image into a dynamic video. You can also turn off the sound if you want to. Just go to the settings and then turn off sound effect. You can also choose different videos if you want to. Just tap the replace button and choose whatever video you like. Then just tap confirm. Okay, so let's try the other one. So if you guys prefer this immersive mode, so it's really up to you. This will also show your favorite apps, the quick settings on the side, and your current weather. Okay guys, so another thing I can show you is that this one has a built-in equalizer app. So if you want to change your sound settings, you can do that here. You can also adjust your volume controls, adjust the bass or turn on your bass boost. And you can also change your equalizer from normal, classical, dance, or other settings. And also this device has a pre-installed VLC player where you can play your videos. And another pre-install right here is the Hulu app where you can watch tons of movies. So what I like here is that it has a very nice user interface. You can actually rearrange, or if you want to change the widgets, all you have to do is long tap this button and select whatever widgets you want. These widgets have a very nice graphics, and you will get to see this kind of graphics or this kind of user interface to other competitors. And I know you guys, you will agree with me on this. So same thing here, if you want to change this one, just long tap this button, then tap the widgets you want to change, and select whatever widgets you want. Of course, this device is not complete without the call function app. For me, this is very important, so I can call or talk to my contacts hands-free. You can dial a number right here, or you can call through your call records. And you can also view all your contacts from address book, and from here, you can call them. Okay, so that's pretty much it guys. If you have any questions about this product, just let me know in the comment. If you guys want to check this out or buy this product, just go to Joy Auto official store on AliExpress. I will put a link of their official store in my description. And if you guys have decided to buy this one, I will put a coupon code in my description so you will get a discount. Okay, so that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe on this channel. See you guys next time on my next video.